Today we're making double chocolate banana Bundt cake. The cocoa powder and chocolate chips combined with banana makes the cake super moist and very chocolatey. It is the best dessert for chocolate lovers. Let's get started. First, let's grease the button pan using oil spray, and then use a brush to spread the oil evenly. This is super important step to ensure the cake doesn't stick to the pan while it's done. Next, let's prepare the banana. Peel the banana and then put it into a small bowl. Mash the banana very well and set it aside. Now let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, put butter and brown sugar and use a hand mixer to cream them together. Scrape down the mixture from the sides and continue to mix until light and fluffy. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. When it's done, add eggs and mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to scrape down the mixture again from the side. Add the mashed banana and switch to spatula to mix for 2 minutes. Put a shifter on top, add flour and cocoa powder, and sift the dry ingredients. When it's almost done, you might see some larger lumps of cocoa powder. Use a small whisk to break them up. Remove the shifter. Add the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and instant coffee. Gently mix everything together, but do not overmix the batter. For the final touch, stir in the chocolate chips and mix very well into the batter. Pour the batter carefully into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Tap the pan to let the batter settle and remove air bubbles. Slide it into the oven and bake for 40 minutes. When it's done baking, let it cool down for 10 minutes. Then flip the pan over a cutting board and give it some gentle taps to help the cake release from the pan. Then let it cool down for 5 minutes. Spread some powdered sugar on top to make it look pretty. You can also add a small mint branch to make it very colorful. Let's cut the cake. The cake is very soft and moist, with the best chocolate aroma. Serve some yummy whipped cream on the side with some mint leaves. And the cake tastes really yummy, with one bite following another. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you next time!